in another video how to make the best of your trip and what you should do for Dollywood, and this is a new update on it. Your ticket situation. The season pass, they're now silver, gold, diamond have been the setups with it, and I said I really don't see any reason to get diamond, and you should have one person get a gold pass because that gets you in the parking lot for parking for free and then still gets you a discount. Well, now there is a lot of blackout dates with the silver pass, particularly around Christmas time. So it's not easy to find the blackout calendar either. You've got to go through multiple checks, and then it's under the Brig of Friend is when you see the blackout dates. So if you have a silver pass, which is the lowest ranking pass, and you're coming during Christmas time, odds are you're not going to be able to get into the park. There's a couple other dates here and there throughout the year, but Christmas being the biggest time that we were looking at, because my wife has a silver pass. So you are basically going to have to get a gold pass if you want to come during Christmas time, and there is a lot of blackout dates connected with the silver pass. Gold, you're good to go. Diamond obviously has a little bit of upgrade, but I would say now you've got to go with a gold pass unless you happen to be coming during the time that silver is fine and off season, that kind of stuff. But you got to check your dates to see if you need a gold pass. Now, if your dates are not blacked out at all and you're fine, then go with the silver and do that tip I said earlier where you have one gold pass and then the rest have silver, so you have those options. But check those blackout dates, because it'd be really annoying to get here, go in and be like, oh yeah, your date's blacked out, so then you got to go upgrade on and you're not going to be happy.
Now, I do highly recommend doing Dollywood's Christmas event. Very popular. #1 Golden Ticket Award if you care about that at all. But so many millions of lights. I believe they're over 5 million at this point. Highly, highly recommend doing it. But there's something that's going on with it. They used to have this Christmas parade where you went through, you see all the lights and the ornaments of people, actors, so on and so forth. But now they've switched it to this like drone firework thing and firework festival, yada, yada, yada. Sounds cool. The problem is, almost seemingly every time it's about to go off, I get an alert for the day saying, hey, it's not going to happen today due to weather conditions or drought conditions or whatever it may be. And I get you can't control the weather, but we are in Tennessee. We're not in Florida or California where it's going to be hot all the time and the winter is perfect temperatures. You're going to have a lot of cold. You're going to have a lot of not great weather. And I just don't see it being a smart idea. And I know parades can't run in the rain, but you can move them a lot easier flexibility wise as compared to the fireworks that have seemingly just not happened so much. And a lot of people have been commenting saying this is ridiculous, this never goes on, let's go back to the parade. And I could actually see Dollywood following that and going along with the parade options next year, because it's happening very infrequently and something that you advertise so much you want to actually have put on. I also have a full recap on this channel, the Smoky Mountain Christmas. That link is in the description down below. Go check out that video to see what Dollywood offers during the Christmas time. And a like on this video, a like on that video, subscribe, share, all that is appreciated. And thanks for watching.